Once, this city was alive. There were families here. Children. Dreams. And then, everything disappeared. How? In 1986, something inside the reactor has woken up. And then, but the city had no idea what was coming.
Sometimes, a single touch can change everything.
And then the silence was broken forever. But the city had no idea what was coming. People left in a very short time. Years have passed. Sometimes, the past returns for a brief moment. And then disappears into silence and darkness again. Sometimes you can bring everything back with a little touch. You can bring abandoned spaces back to life. You can rebuild places. And everything. You can send everything back. And everything. And everything. And everything. And everything. You can rebuild places. You can bring abandoned spaces back to life. But the people who disappeared can never truly return.